Let me show you the easiest and fastest way to make a Hoover effect button. Let's start with a button design. First, you have to click on text and add some text. Frame selection. Add fill color. Then add auto layout and make some adjustments. Now your button is ready. Let's select this frame and make component and add variant. And make some color changes to differentiate it a bit. Make third variant as a disable button. Now you have 3 different variants of one single button. Let's create a frame. Go to Assets and Create Instance. Now you will see the button. Center align it to the frame, and you will now see here the 3 variants which you created. Now let's adjust prototyping by clicking on first button and adding while hoovering effect. That's it. Select frame and click on play button, and here is your Hoover button created. You will create different types of multiple buttons. Follow and subscribe to Tekglide YouTube page for more tutorials.